This is Fart TV, and we have Staci Niccole. Are you Staci Niccole, Fart TV?
Yes, I'm gross. They want it. I need an audience. People line up, fart in my face. Oh. Ooh.
Oh. Hey, don't do that again.
Deal. Hello, are you guys working on my show? That one might have been wet.
Oof.
On a daily basis, do you see me pull my underwear out?
Oof.
Do I come near your area?
Who, me?
Yeah, I do, right? You've seen me far
right past me.
Yeah. Does it stink? What does it smell like? Could you tell us what it smells like?
Oh man, it smells like a dead body in there. You scare me sometimes, it's so loud.
It's a true story. Come fart with me, gross. Staci
Just don't get too loud next time you walk past me. You scared me last time.
Yeah, I'm wearing black underwear, but there's white ones.
Last time I thought we had an animal in the woods.
It's a true story. We'll skunk out my bunghole.
I say.
All right, come on, get me show, boys, girls, fart contests. Yeah. Tabitha, does it still smell? It's lingering.
Oh, it's dissipating.
Okay, and there you have it. Come fart with me. It was her. Don't worry.
Opportunity to update my rankings. Can we stop at home for a pizza bib?
No, Charles, we gotta go fast.
Right. I'll just use my work bib.
No bib. We're gonna solve this for you, Sam.
Oh, damn it. They're not gonna like that one. I had to hold it and suck it in. Gross TV, my shitter pants.
She said she is in.
Oh, they're gonna be disappointed.
Okay.
Oh, that might be that. Damn it. Gross TV with me, Staci Niccole. Sitting on the bowl. I had to pee anyways. I knew it wasn't gonna be a shower. Ooh. There I go again. Had to go. You guys better get me a TV show. Come on. Fart with me, Staci Niccole. I'm known as Fart Girl now. Come on, get gross Staci Niccole a TV show. I'll be gross. You guys can come on and I can like fart on you. Right by the microwave. Ooh. Anybody want to warm up their food? Doesn't smell. Come on. I'm Bunny, but you guys like farts. I don't drink anymore, so I don't shit my pants. I hear them stories. Just to shit on a regular basis. Every year, my mommy and daddy buy me Tinkerbell pajama pants for Christmas. And I've shit every pair. Last year was a black pair. And now I call them Stinkerbells. Shit every pair. Come on! You guys can like come on my show and like I can fart on you guys. Waft it. And I'm not lying, they're real. I should be embarrassed to admit. My mother says I have no class. But I tell her, but I have boobies. Get me my fart TV show, fellas. You could be contestant. Whoa. We hosting. Have to eat like power bars and broccoli. Who wants to be a contestant on my gross TV show? Farting in your faces is such a disgrace in many places. Oh, I have to go to work. There's douche. Douche.